Apple just made a very unexpected AI move. According to the articles, Apple and Google have signed a multi-year deal. Under this deal, Apple's next generation of AI, including Siri, will be powered by Google's Gemini models. So why would Apple do that? The simple answer is scale. Google's Gemini models are already very strong when it comes to large, complex AI tasks. Apple evaluated its options and decided that Gemini is currently the best foundation to build on. This doesn't mean Apple is giving up control. Apple Intelligence will still run on your device wherever possible. When cloud processing is needed, Apple will continue using its own private cloud compute. But for heavier AI requests, Gemini will step in behind the scenes. Apple controls the experience and Google handles the heavy thinking. Now let's talk about Siri. Mark Gurman reports that Apple's new Siri is called Compose internally. This version of Siri is expected to run on Google's cloud and TPUs, not on Apple's servers. That's why it's expected to be much more powerful than the Siri update coming soon that still runs on Apple's own models. So going forward, there will be two Siri, one for everyday tasks and another powered by Gemini for deeper conversations. And this deal is confirmed. Google has publicly acknowledged the partnership and said Gemini will power future Apple Intelligence features, including a more personalized Siri. This makes it clear that this is a real, long-term collaboration. Reports suggest Apple will start rolling this out later this year with major updates like iOS 27 and macOS 27, with more features coming through 2026. For users, this could finally mean a Siri that understands context better, holds conversations, and actually gives useful answers. Apple, the company known for doing everything in-house, is now relying on Google's AI to power its future assistant. And this could be the biggest change Siri has ever seen. So what do you think about Apple's move? And which AI do you prefer using? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.